This is Team CE01 with the Strawberry Hill Avenue corridor improvements located in Stamford, Connecticut. We'd first like to thank our sponsor, Frank Batiste, and our faculty advisor, Dr. John Ivan. Currently, Strawberry Hill Avenue is a major collector road for the city of Stamford. It's a mixed-use road with a high annual average daily traffic. However, the corridor does not accommodate pedestrian safety as well as has issues with speeding. The requirements for this project were to improve sidewalk and pedestrian safety, develop better traffic controls, install bike facilities and bike paths, as well as meet the current and future needs of the city of Stamford. Moving on, we have the existing conditions. There's no median between the roadway and sidewalk. However, as you get closer to more residential areas, the median appears. This can both be seen in Figure 1 and Figure 2. The wide roads on the corridor are designed to help peak hour traffic, but have issues with speeding during non-peak hours. Additionally, there are no bicycle facilities in this strip of the corridor. Furthermore, there's an issue with a four-way intersection that, due to roads not properly lining up, has a three-phase system. Additionally, there is high congestion during school drop-off and pickup hours, as seen in both Figure 3 and Figure 4. Figure 5 is the crash data of the corridor. As one can see, there tends to be a higher number of crashes in the morning and the afternoon, correlating with school pickup and drop-off times. Figure 6 also shows pedestrian safety analysis of the corridor. Overall, it seems that the corridor is not as safe as the city of Stamford would like it to be. Pictured here is the fully mapped out CAD drawing of the corridor, with the orange lines representing the existing buildings and the blue lines representing existing driveways and parking lots.
For our design alternative, we selected 5 locations along the corridor which we created cross-sections of. These locations represent the varying road layouts present on this corridor, such as school zones, intersections, and narrow road widths. We modeled the existing conditions at each location, along with 3 alternatives of varying changes. The main goal of our alternative design is to improve bikeability and walkability while minimizing traffic impact. Next, we will show the cross-sections for one specific location as an example. This is the existing cross-section at Stamford High. Currently, the southbound lane is very wide, which has led to high speeds, as well as a large crossing distance for pedestrians, leading to an unsafe environment for crossing. In our alternatives, we address this by adding bike lanes, which improve bikeability, while also narrowing the existing lanes, which will reduce speeds. In our second alternative, we add speed control elements at this location since it is a high pedestrian crossing point. We also added the drop-off platform, which lowers the crossing distance. In our third alternative, we incorporate a median and added raised and separated bike lanes. As one can see, all of our alternatives address our primary goal with varying degrees of changes. Additionally, we proposed location-based changes such as adding bike racks, adding crosswalks, and improving sidewalks along the corridor.
For the final design, we added bike lanes to the entire corridor. We also maintained the road's original sidewalk geometry. We've increased the countermeasures at the high school, including a designated drop-off space in the northbound lane. A geometric redesign of Rock Spring Road, Strawberry Hill Court, and Strawberry Hill Ave intersection was also done. We've updated the sidewalks in some areas, and we've tried to include more green space on the corridor. We've reduced the lane widths to reduce speeds and added additional crosswalks at key intersections to allow more pedestrians to cross. At Stamford High School, we've added a right turn lane only into the south side entrance, and we've reduced both sides to one lane. We also added 2 islands to the middle of the road near the crosswalk to reduce traffic speed and to increase pedestrian safety in the area. Here, in between the high school and the Tully Health Center, we reduced the lane widths to decrease speeding. We also added bike lanes and additional green space. A single choke point was added at the north end to reduce speeds in the middle of the corridor. The intersection at Rock Spring Road and Strawberry Hill Court was challenging. We included a geometric redesign of Rock Spring Road. We moved it further south so that it would align better with Strawberry Hill Court. This would allow both left turn lanes to work at the same time and reduce the 3-phase signal traffic light here to 2 phases. The north end of the corridor, shown here, adds bike lanes on each side and also recommends a new sidewalk on the east side, as the old sidewalk was old and outdated and did not comply to ADA regulation. Finally, a cost estimate will be done for the entire corridor. This will provide a concept level cost estimate for the city to consider.